So today I'm talking about a P0452 code, what it is and how you go about fixing it. And so what is a P0452 code? Well, it's an evaporative emission system pressure sensor switch low input. And so what does this mean? Well, basically vehicles have what's called an Evap system that's taking all the gas vapors from the gas tank and sending them up to the engine to be burnt away so they don't escape into the atmosphere. But when you get this P0452 code, the computer's seeing some kind of problem inside of the system, mainly with the pressure sensor, and so it's going to be troubleshooted to know why. And depending on the vehicle, the year, the make, the model, different things like this, there can be differences inside of an Evap system. Components can be designed differently, they can be located differently, different things like this. So if you do go to work on your vehicle, it's a good idea to get a diagram for your specific vehicle. That way you know for sure what's going on. But basically how these systems work is that the gas vapors, they're going to leave the gas tank. They're going to go through a hose over to what's called a charcoal canister, which is kind of like storage for the gas vapors. Either built into the charcoal canister or located near it somewhere is going to be what's called a vent valve. And the vent valve does different things. The computer can use it to test the system. It can close it, see if the system holds pressure, and different things like this. The gas vapors are going to leave the charcoal canister and then they're going to go up into the engine compartment to what's called a purge valve. The purge valve is going to be located up around the engine somewhere. And basically it just stays closed when the engine's not running so the gas vapors can't escape. But then when the engine is running, at some point the computer is going to send it a signal to open and then the gas vapors are going to go into the engine to be burnt away. And so that's a real basic overview of what's going on inside of an Evap system. Like I said, be sure to get a diagram for your specific vehicle to know for sure what's going on. And located inside the system is going to be a pressure sensor. Sometimes it's called like a fuel tank pressure sensor or Evap pressure sensor. But located inside the system somewhere is going to be this pressure sensor that's just reporting back to the computer what's going on inside the Evap system. And when you get this P0452 code, the computer is seeing some kind of problem with this fuel tank pressure sensor. And so it's going to be troubleshooted to know why. And so what would be some possible causes of a P0452 code? Well, the first thing that might cause this is that there's a leak inside the Evap system, and this is causing some kind of problems, throwing the pressure off, the pressure's not correct, or something like that. And an Evap leak is going to be caused like by a bad gas cap, which is a part of the Evap system, a bad hose that's not connected good, or possibly a bad component. Usually if there is an Evap leak, you're going to get another code. So for example, if you also got like a P0456, evaporative emission system leak detected, very small leak, then it is possible that there is some kind of leak going on. Keep in mind that if there's a bad pressure sensor, it could be reporting bad information back to the computer, so the computer just thinks there's an Evap leak when there isn't. So if you are getting codes for Evap leaks and pressure sensor codes, then it can be a good idea to go test the pressure sensor first. Since if the pressure sensor is bad, it might just be giving out bad information back to the computer, and the computer just thinks there's a problem when there isn't. But the first thing that could cause this problem is an Evap leak. And the next thing that could cause this problem is a bad pressure sensor or the wiring going to it. If you are only getting codes for the pressure sensor, then it's going to be a good idea to go do some tests on the pressure sensor and check out the wiring and be sure that's all good. The location of these pressure sensors is going to vary. It's going to depend on the vehicle, the year, the make, the model, different things like this. Sometimes it's located on the charcoal canister. Sometimes it's located right up on top of the fuel pump. And then sometimes it's located right up on top of the gas tank. So the location of it can really vary. If you get wiring schematics for your particular vehicle, you can go and check the wiring. And again, this can be different depending on the vehicle, but basically you can go and check and be sure you're getting voltage, you got a good ground, and that the signal wire going back to the computer is good. There's no open or short or anything like this, because the next thing that could cause this is a bad pressure sensor or the wiring going to the pressure sensor. The last thing on the list is going to be that there's some kind of bad Evap component going on. It's one of the components has failed and it's just throwing everything off. And again, usually if this happens, you're going to get another code. So for example, if you also got like a P0449 code, evaporative emission system vent valve, solenoid circuit, then in that case, it'd be a good idea to go test the vent valve, be sure that it's working, that it's not stuck closed or stuck open or anything like this. Again, it would be a good idea to go test that pressure sensor first to be sure that it's working and that the wiring's all good and things like this. But the last thing on the list is going to be a bad Evap component. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing a vehicle with the P0452 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.